When you think of Jiuquan, you might picture sweeping winds and boundless sunlight. We are accustomed to clean energy on a grand scale. Wind turbines towering into the clouds, solar panels spreading as far as the eye can see. But what if we didn't need these colossal installations? Here at the Fengguang Mansion in Jiuquan, Gansu, you're about to see how Inovance powers the entire park with 100% green electricity using just a digital zero-carbon combo microgrid model. First, we start at the source. On the roof and parking shelters, 3 types of power harvesters are arranged. They are conventional PV modules, cadmium telluride power generating glass, BCPV modules. Along with 2 10-kilowatt micro-wind turbines, they form a multi-dimensional wind-solar harvesting network. But power generation is just the first step. Renewable energy depends on the weather, so how do we make this variable energy system stable and controllable? The answer lies within this oversized park power bank. This is the 1,000 kilowatt-hours integrated energy storage cabinet for industry and business, comprising 4 125 kilowatts/261 kilowatt-hours dual-cycle liquid-cooled storage units. It has many exceptional capabilities. Dual liquid cooling technology acts like a targeted air conditioner for the batteries, maximizing energy conversion efficiency. Dual fire safety design eliminates risks at their source. With an IP55 protection rating, it is clad in armor that reliably withstands Jiuquan's harsh climate. Moreover, it integrates PV and wind power into the storage system, supplying the building and charging stations directly at 400 volts. It intelligently charges and discharges based on load. Equipped with an STS grid connection switch, an emergency power pathway, it seamlessly connects to the main grid during extreme weather, ensuring uninterrupted power supply. Inovance Wind Solar Storage Microgrid Energy Management System acts as the super brain of the park. Even when faced with sudden power surges from EV ultra-fast charging stations, it maintains stability across the grid. It orchestrates the entire system: renewables, grid, load, storage, and charging. Now, the Fengguang Mansion generates approximately 460,000 kilowatt-hours of clean electricity annually. Imagine if this model were replicated 100, 1,000, even 10,000 times. The path from zero-carbon parks to a zero-carbon society would become clear. It also empowers businesses going global, opening new avenues for competition. This is the zero-carbon future we are moving toward.